welcome to the 2-minute walleye fillet challenge. Ready, set, go. Boneless, completely boneless. That's the rule. There we go. Completely boneless. Pin bones and all. Like that. I'm not going to do the cheeks. Cheeks on a 13-inch walleye aren't going to be much. Get that rib meat out. All that's boneless, except for the pin bone. Start that down, then I flip it over and fillet that rib meat right out, saving as much of that meat as I can. Guys, I'm gonna zipper it. See, zippering it, go to the tail, cut on either side of the lateral line, and pull that one piece off, and that next chunk off, bones gone. Next side, cut on either side of the lateral line, pull that fish down, one, pull that other chunk all the way, and gone. Oh, 212. I'll do better next time. But there you have it, 2 completely boneless walleye fillets, zippered, ready for the cold water. And if I haven't told you already, this Cowboy Wild Game Washer, it's pretty slick. We're on well water, and so it just sits here and spins these walleye fillets, completely cleaning them, keeping them in 52-degree water. It does get hung up a little bit on this PVC standpipe that swirls the water, but I think they've come up with a fix for that in the last version or two. This is probably a 6 or 7-year-old model, but super slick. I would get one if I were you, and you clean fish or birds or game, whatever. There we have it. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.